How to fix welcome to Instagram problem. If you encounter a problem that says welcome to Instagram in your Instagram application, so here are some troubleshooting steps that you can try out to fix the problem. First of all, open up your Instagram application. Now navigate to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now again head over to the three-line icon from the top right corner. From here, scroll down and then tap on log out. Then tap on log out. Once you log out, now log in back to your account and check whether the problem will be solved or not. If still not, then what you have to do is open up the settings in your device. Now tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Now under this section, search for Instagram. Then tap on Instagram. Then tap on storage and cache. From here, tap on clear cache. Sometimes clearing the cache of Instagram will help you to solve any kind of issue that is occurring in your application. After you're done with that, open up the Instagram and check whether the problem will be solved or not. If still not, then the last thing that you have to make sure is that the Instagram application in your device is updated. For that, open up the Play Store in your device. Now on the search bar, search for Instagram. If your application is missing out any updates, there you will find an update option where I have open. Tap on update, and once the application is updated, go back and launch the application and your problem will be solved. So that's how you can remove welcome to Instagram page. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.